Currently, I'm in the latter stage. I have been using other people's lathes at schools and with friends for the last 20 years. The only lathe I have ever owned was a jet midi lathe, which was a sweet machine. However, it had its limitations in size and power. In my new home shop, I don't plan on ever moving, so now I'm ready to invest in a lathe that will last forever and an extremely well-designed machine. The one-way lathe is a lot of fun and is a precision machine. It is the Ferrari of lathes. I will give you the best wood lathes according to their respective categories. This article will begin with mini and midi lathes, and the last 5 will be large-size industrial lathes. There are many products available to choose the best rowing machines, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rowing machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JWL1015. 10 inches by 15 inches wood lathe. Variable speed. 1/2 HP. 1 pH 115 volts 719100. Jet is a brand that focuses on the quality of its products and services. They produce machines that are exceptional in design and features. The Jet JWL1015, 10 inches by 15 inches wood lathe has a great build and boasts a decent performance, particularly with smaller projects. People who are just starting with woodworking projects do love the results that they are getting from this Jet JWL1015. It is relatively cheap but never compromises the quality of a functional mini lathe. The overall mechanisms of the machine are very easy to understand. Some of the most notable features are the 6 spindle speeds, 24 position indexing, enhanced tensioning system, ergonomic gripping, and excellent rigidity. This means that the product offers a 5-year warranty out of the box in case you encounter manufacturing defects. Having said so, this mini lathe is perfect for newbies who are just starting off with their woodworking projects. Number 2. Shopfox W1704 and a 3rd horsepower benchtop lathe. Shopfox has become very serious in their motto of, built to last. If we will talk about their products, they are actually true to their promise. Most especially with their W1704 and a 3rd HP benchtop lathe. A mini lathe that will never go wrong in terms of quality and features. It has full variable speeds without the need to change belts. There is also not much complexity when it comes to its functionalities. Everything was pretty basic. The feel, while you are using this thing, is actually solid. It can penetrate through very hard woods without flinching with the help of its reliable 1/3 HP 2-amp motor. Moreover, the cast iron construction provides peace of mind that this splendor of a machine will not break down easily. What amazed me more is the child lock safety feature that it has on its switch. This makes the thing very safe to use even in your personal spaces. You can expect an average of 700 to 3,200 RPMs from this machine depending on your chosen speed. Number 3. Grizzly Industrial G084414 by 20 inches variable speed benchtop wood lathe. Grizzly is offering its largest benchtop lathe in the name of the G0844 14 inches by 20. It has a powerful 3/4 HP motor that is capable of producing ample power for almost any task. Combined with the various features such as the 3 variable speed options and carrying handles on each end for better handling. There are also extra features that will make turning much more exciting. Some of those are the digital RPM tachometer for higher efficiency and easy access to its door for the easier changing of belts. The brand also offers peace of mind to its buyers. Since Grizzly is one of the most sought brands when it comes to woodworking tools, your hard-earned money is surely in the right hands. Number 4. Powermatic PM 2014. 14 inches by 20 inches benchtop woodworking lathe. 1 pH 115 volts 1792014. Powermatic knows how passionate people are in woodworking, so producing high-quality machines is what they do. The same goes with their woodworking lathe. The PM 2014 is a one-of-a-kind lathe that has a combination of sleek looks and functionalities. This particular model is well-loved by professionals due to its performance. It has a strong 115V inverter motor under its belt. When it comes to convenience, this will not let you down as well. It has a magnetic control box with a digital display for better efficiency of work. The indexing process also becomes more manageable with the help of the 24 positive locking indexing positions. Organizing stuff becomes easy as well because of the tool caddy that is attached to this machine. You can put your wrenches, centers, accessories, and other stuff. Number 5. Grizzly G0766 22 inches by 42 inches variable speed wood lathe. Are you planning to create large bowls and other large diameter projects? Then you will need a reliable wood lathe that you can use. One option is to try out the Grizzly G0766. It is jam-packed with all the features and functionalities that you'll need for your projects. With a 3 HP 3-phase motor, you can do almost anything with it. There is a heavy-duty cast iron bed to handle tons of load without issues. Utmost stability is what you can expect from this beast. You can also reposition the headstock anywhere you need to, which adds up a lot of flexibility to your projects. The support from Grizzly is also top-notch, which is why customers do not have any problems when they need to reach out if they have concerns with the machine. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.